Dudes, dudettes, and everyone, welcome to Saluhall's Saluween. The food hall connected to IKEA on Market and 5th got dressed up for the holiday. Back in June, I stopped by for vegan Puerto Rican food at Casa Borinqueña. I was glad they also had Malta India. Here's the full array of what I got that day, including the drink. The best is from the West. We'll start here with the arroz con gandules. The gandules are little pigeon peas you see right here. The taste was pretty decent. Now, it's time for the fried plantains. Always a good choice when they're warm. Every Puerto Rican needs plantains. So we've got plantains in a different version with the tostones cups, filled with your choice of vegan meat. The meat was alright, but the sauce really helped it. Giving it a little more. There. Pretty decent as well, but of course, I need some more plantain. Next was dessert and Momo Noodle. Well, I also like their noodles. They have a really great dessert over here called the Momo Raindrop Rosé. The top can get quite sticky, but once you're inside, you'll find the Sichuan cold jelly dessert Bing Fen. It's made with rose molasses and toppings that can include coconut flakes and peanuts. What I really like is the rose molasses and the occasional rose petal. As you can see here, I really want to find those rose petals. Back to Saluween. It was great to return here in early October, and the staff was happy to help me find more of the decorations throughout the food hall. I returned to Casa Borinqueña that day too. One, because I had a craving for Puerto Rican food again, but two, to try their pincho skewers, which were pretty good. Follow the bloody footprints here to the biggest decoration at Saluhall. This friendly face.